What's going to be inside the hot air balloon?
Fire.
Fire. What else could be inside?
Fire.
Fireworks. What else could be inside?
Smoke.
Smoke? Okay. What?
Smoke.
Big smoke? What else could be inside?
Yeah.
Lots of smoke. What else could be inside?
Big smoke.
Big smoke.
Loud.
The hot air balloon would be loud. What's it going to sound like? Very good.
Loud.
I think that is what it's going to sound like. Who's going to be in the basket?
Loud.
Yes.
Loud. Loud.
Who's going to be in the basket?
Loud.
Who, Gray?
Loud. 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 Loud.
Who's going to be in the basket?
Loud.
Is Mommy going to be in the basket?
Loud.
No. Is Daddy going to be in the basket?
Loud.
Will Elmo be in the basket? Will Lipsy be in the basket? What about Davina? What about Daisy? What about Carolina? What about Gloria? What about Maria? What about Erica? Mama Hand? Yes, she'll be the one in the basket. Okay. Maybe Navarre can be in there too. And Tim? They just met Tim on the playground tonight. Okay, Tim can be in the basket too. Tim is a little, probably 16-month-old.
We did a lot of coloring.
Great, count to 10. Loud. 1, 2. Loud poo-poo? You already ate, you little goober. Why? I gave him alphabet pasta. Pasta. You can eat the Y's.
Okay, your diaper's looking pretty heavy there.
Gray's doing a big poo-poo. Then we'll change it.
Did you guys play soccer today? No?